Hi friends, this is our third day of studying comparison bars. This is lesson 6.8 and today it's just Mrs. B again. I'm going to do 3 story problems for you and then I'll give you your homework and your remembering pages. So the first number story for our comparison bars is Corey's cat has 11 kittens. Eva's cat has 3 kittens. How many fewer kittens does Eva's cat have than Corey's? And I heard that unknown, fewer, so I know the unknown is going to be here. That's going to be where we put our answer. Now let's see, Corey, there's our C for Corey, had 11. Eva had 3. How many more kittens, or how many fewer kittens, how many fewer kittens does Eva have than Corey? So you can either start at 3 and count up to 11, but I think a faster way would be start at 11 and count back 3. 11, 10, 9, 8. And so it's going to be 8. The answer, Eva has 8 fewer kittens. So in the unknown box, I'm going to put 8. I'm going to put fewer. And again, it's important to add that fewer. You just can't say kittens. 8 fewer kittens. Story problem number 1. Mrs. B's going to hurry and erase. So give me a minute. There we go. Almost done. I'm erasing the whole thing because I don't know where the unknown box is going to be on story problem number 2. All right, here's story problem number 2. There were 3 bicycles here yesterday. There are 7 more bicycles here today. So I heard that more, so I'm going to right away put 7. How many bicycles are here today? I'm going to say it again. There were 3 bicycles here yesterday. There's our yesterday. There are 7 more bicycles here today. How many bicycles are here today? I'm going to put a T for today, a Y for yesterday. So we're going to add it. The unknown is up here for the total, because remember the biggest number, the total's at the top. So we're going to do 3 plus 7, and that's 10. And we would write 10, not more or fewer, because that's when we have the answer in here. We would just put 10, and I'm not going to write bicycles, I'm just going to write bikes. 10 bikes. That one was pretty easy, I'm glad. Here we go. Our last one, friends, and then it's a short lesson today, kind of reviewing again. And then I'll give you your homework to do. And I'm going to tell you there's some extra pages too in that you have in a packet that if you want to practice comparison bars, you can. All right, our last story problem. Ms. Perez has 15 horses. Mr. Drew has 9 horses. How many more horses does Miss Perez have than Mr. Drew? So I heard that, how many more horses? So here we go. Oop, Mrs. B forgot that. Let me read the story again. I already heard the how many more. It says Ms. Perez has 15 horses. Mr. Drew has 9 horses. There's D for Mr. Drew. And now the question is, how many more horses does Ms. Perez have than Mr. Drew? And I'm going to either go 15 minus 9, or you can count up from 9, and the answer would be 6. And you would write 6 more horses. And I did notice with our comparison bars, you really have to read. So the answer, especially in this box, you would either have to write fewer or more. The first number story we did said fewer. This one it said more horses. And remember, when you get the answer at the top, you just put whether it's bicycles or puppies. So if you get up here, you don't add more or less. All right, that's all where I'm going to do these 3 number stories just kind of as a review. Your homework would be page 149 homework, and then a remembering page of 150. In about a week, I have another packet for you to practice. I don't want you to do any more with comparison bars. Just work on the pages that I've given you this week, because that's a lot to remember. And I would rather have us go slow and steady and learn it. And then maybe in a week or two, I will talk to you about a little packet of extra work to do comparison bars. All right, I'll talk to you later.